Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Akwazi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today I am going to start our lecture with the one Urdu शेर. फूलों के जजीरों की तमन्ना है अगर, फूलों के जजीरों की तमन्ना है अगर, तो कांटों के समुंदर से गुजरना होगा। और ऐ बागवां हकीर से न देख गुंचों की तरफ, न जाने कौन सी कली फखरे चमन होती है। So let us start. Electrophilic attack at neutral pyridine like nitrogens. Neutral pyridine means the nitrogen which contains no charges, which is present in pyridine. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom in pyridine behaves very similar to that in trimethylamine and other tertiary amines, and react under mild conditions with electrophilic reagents. So, proton acid gives salt. Lewis acid form coordination compound, of course, because lone pair is there. Transition metals ions undergo complex formations. Reactive halides give quaternary salt. Halogen form adducts. Certain oxidizing agent yield amine oxide, and aminating agent gives N-amino derivatives. So these are the points. Either proton acid gives salt. So pKa as universal measure of acidity as well as of basicity. The definition of pKa of conjugate acid, you see, if we have Ha, it is in equilibrium in H plus and A minus, Hb, H plus and B. So pKa is equal to minus log 10 H plus concentration A minus concentration divided by concentration of Ha. Definition of pKb now absolute B plus H2O. It is in equilibrium between BH plus and OH minus. pKb is equal to minus log 10 BH plus OH minus divided by B concentrations and concentration of water. Now H plus concentration and OH minus concentration divided by H2O concentration is approximately 10 to the minus 14. Therefore pKa is equal to minus 14 minus pKb. So we consider the basicity of pyridine in terms of pKa of the conjugate acid, the pyridinium cation. You see, there is a lone pair, it is in the presence of acid, it gives the pKa is equal to 5.1. What is the useful informations we are getting from this pKa value? The pKa designates the pH where two species are present at equal concentrations. You can see these two species equal concentrations. So pH 5.1 pyridine is 50% protonated. At pH 6.1 pyridine is 10% protonated. At pH 4.1 pyridine is 90% protonated. So this is showing this is a 50% protonated. Again it dissociates in this and again it is formed. So pyridine like and pyrrole like nitrogen is done because both nitrogen little bit different. Protonations of pyridine nitrogen. H plus protonation occurs at nitrogens. Aromaticity retained. There is no effect of aromaticity. Now protonation of pyrrole nitrogens. You see, pyrrole protonation occurs, aromaticity lost. This is the difference between pyrrole and pyridine. Here retained aromaticity, here lost aromaticity. Or either you can write it down in this way, draw it this way. The protonation of pyrrole and protonation of pyridine nitrogen. Now non-basic pyrrole like nitrogens, you see this nitrogen, basic and similar to an aniline, you see NH. What is difference between this and this? These double bonds and no double bond, no heteroaromatic, you see there is no heteroaromatic. Here imidazoles, one pyridine like nitrogens, this nitrogen, one pyrrole like nitrogen, this is one pyrrole like nitrogen. So friends, basicities of nitrogen in heteroaromatic 5-member ring pKa values. Anion nitrogens, azole anion or acidity of neutral azoles. You see This is the negative, 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 and this is the negative. So negative nitrogen, here only 1, here 2, here 1 3 position, here 1 2 position, here 1 2 3 position, here 1 2 1 2 4 positions, here 1 2 3 4 position. Now look at the value: 16.1, 2, 5, 14.2, 14.4, 9.3, 10.0, 4.9. So with increasing number of nitrogen atom, basicity decreases. You see, basicity decreases. Basicity decreases and acidity of conjugate acid increases. So neutral nitrogen azoles, acidity of azoles cations. Now you see, at nitrogens NH, now remove, in case of ZZ, NH 2.5, O minus 3, S minus 0.5. If you have N here and Z, then look at it here. If you have this type of nitrogens, now you see different position. So azole acidity of cations is like that. So pyrrole is very weakly basic because no pyridine like nitrogens. Imidazole much more basic than pyrazole because of base weakening interaction of adjacent nitrogen. Sulfur, especially oxygen substituent for NH, dramatically reduce basicity. Additional pyridine like nitrogen atom also strongly reduce basicity. This is very important point for objective exams. Now, basicity of 6-member heteroaromatic and non-heteroaromatics. Basicity of azenes, pK value, you see, pyridine, pyridazenes 1-2 positions, pyrimidines 1-3 position, pyrazine 1-4 positions, 1-4 triazenes, 1-3 triazenes. Look at the values, you can see here. 5.1, 2.3, 1.3, decreasing. Extra nitrogen considerably reduce the basicity of pyridine. This is nitrogen, extra nitrogen. Inductive effect. Why it is? Due to inductive. Pyridazine more basic than pyrazines. Pyridazenes, you see, pyridazenes more basic than pyrazines. You see, 1-2 position and 1 position because of the effect of adjacent electron lone pair of electron. Adjacent lone pair of electron. This is alpha effect. That is very important. Many times these questions in the competitive exams. Now basicities of some other neutral nitrogens, non-heteroaromatic compound. Look at here. Ammonia. Now derivative of ammonia, this one. Pyrrolidine, piperidine, aniline, indolene, tetrahydroquinoline. Ammonia 9.3, pyrrolidine 11.3, piperidine 11.2, aniline 4.6, indolene 4.9. You see the difference. And tetrahydroquinoline, you see, piperidine and just attachment of the benzene, how much is effect. Here you see pyrrole and 1 benzene indoles. So this type of questions you will find in every competitive exams. So most aliphatic amines have a pK values around 10 to 11. Most aniline have pK value around 4 to 5. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.